I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the essentials: your Visa number, expiration date, CVV, and the exact billing address on file with the bank. Once done, make sure your Apple ID is active and two-factor authentication is on. This prevents payment rejections. Next, confirm the App Store country or region matches the card's issuing country, because mismatches cause declines. Finally, have your bank phone number nearby to receive verification codes, so you can move immediately to adding the card. You now open the App Store and tap your profile, then Payment and Shipping. This is where you add a method. Enter the Visa number, name exactly as on card, expiration, and CVV. Accuracy matters because mismatched names or addresses often fail. Once you submit, the system will request verification, a quick SMS code or 3D secure step, and might place a small temporary authorization. After verification, make this Visa your primary payment if you prefer, so recurring charges use it automatically. You finish by testing the setup. Download a free app or make a small purchase and check the emailed receipt to confirm billing. If a charge is declined, first verify the billing address and card details, then check available balance and any 3D secure prompts. Banks sometimes block unfamiliar transactions. If problems persist, call your bank to lift a fraud hold or contact Apple support for account-side issues. As a backup, try another card or add Apple Pay to complete the purchase quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.